Hi everybody, this is Pinhas Adar and I'm so looking forward to seeing you all next year in Amelia Island at the Seattle Study Club meeting. My topic will be to take charge of your life and your practice. Why some patients come to you for great service, you give them treatment plan and they disappear, never show up again, or they go somewhere else. But what is it? Really, do you think your patients really understand your language? Are you sure about that? So here's a suggestion for you, and this is, I think, the best and most important tool that you can ever invest. It's not that expensive, and I know everyone has high technology these days, cell phones, iPods, and so on. But the best investment I have made, and I suggest that to many clients of mine, this little recording device has digitized recorder, has got a memory stick. I use this constantly when I talk to patients, when I talk to doctors, when I train, because I would like to hear myself how I sound, to look at yourself and looking at your goals, what you want to do with your practice and your team. This will be the best investment you've ever made. Record every time any conversations that you have with your patients, with your staff, and the same thing with your team member. And ask yourself these questions. Do you sound smart? Do you sound like you know what you're talking about? Do you sound convincing? Do you sound honest? Do you sound sincere? Do you sound like you care about the patient? Or do you sound like a salesperson? Communication is skill number one that everybody needs to possess, and it's good for every aspect of life, not just business, not just your practice, but also in marriage, in friendships, and any other things that you engage with people, because we're dealing with people. If you master one skill, and this is a communication, you got it. That's gonna make you different than someone down the road. We all in people business. We do have titles, but I think our profession is dealing with people to help their lives, and we have to be really effective. First, that they understand our language, they understand us and what we try to do. You have seen lots of professionals that are talented, they show this beautiful work, but they are not very effective communicators with patients. Clarity is the key. You want them to be clear and want what you have, not to convince them daily basis. Although we have technologies that helped us with our life, but also paralyze us and distract us from what really matters. I'm gonna share with you some principles, some strategies that are gonna floor you. I mean, you would figure out what to do next when you go to your office. I hope this suggestion helps you. Until then, look forward to seeing you next year and seeing my old friends and make some new ones. Thank you so much for listening. This is Pinhas Adar.